I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything two of us can do through the years. Never let me down. Turn my love around. Sweetest days I found with you through the years. Never been afraid. I love the love we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through